Yasser and I have always been a team. It's a team in the sense that we're part of a gospel band, not a band, but a team who performs in churches and conferences in and around Mumbai. So there was a time when there was no one to lead the group ahead, and that's when Esther and I decided that we should get together and take this team forward, not let it die.
He's extremely talented and extremely special, but at the same time he's just so humble about it all, and it's a pleasure to work with him because when I see him play music, when I see him being in his element, he's absolutely magical, and I think that's the most special part of our relationship, of our journey together. And whether professionally or personally, I just think that that's the key word. Magic. He has always been very magical.
So that's when I actually realized that there was a spark between us, and we started going out, we started watching movies, and we started shopping together. That's how we built the rapport between us.
He's great fun. It took him a long time to open up, but once he did open up, there was no going back.
This is a surprise. I went for a salsa dance class with her, and I had never thought that I would do something like that. But it was because of her. I went for that, we enjoyed together. And then there was a time when each and every day would not pass by without talking to each other, without knowing what the other person is doing.
I am the better friend to him. He finds it very difficult to be, a friend to me, but I know that he supports me almost unconditionally.
When we fight a lot and we are crazy about everything. Whatever the situation I am in, whatever office tension or whatever pressure I have in life, when I see her smile, I feel so relieved. I feel that I feel lightweight when I see her smile.
We have many dreams. Most of it is really simple. We just want to spend a lot of time together, uninterrupted, and probably just sit around. That's our idea of having fun, and it doesn't compare to anything else.
I really feel like I belong. We both belong to each other. So yes, I love her, and I'll continue to do so.
We've danced, we've laughed, we've sung, we've composed. He's been with me at times when I didn't expect anyone to be with me. I'm surprised. Both of us, I'm sure, didn't ever think that we would be together. In fact, maybe if you'd asked me a couple of years back, I would have said he's the last person I would have ended up with. But right now, I don't think I would want to be with anyone else.
Looking forward to my life to live with her to, I don't know, maybe 40, 50 years together. Let's see how it turns out to be. We both are looking forward for it.
It hasn't sunk in yet that I'm engaged. It hasn't sunk in yet. We were, I think the only change that we have made so far is update our Facebook status. But other than that, everything still feels the same. We're still friends and we're still looking forward to having fun.
She's my firstborn, the apple of my eye. It's a very emotional moment for me. And she's been a very dutiful child, good in everything that she did, working very hard, meticulous planning. She's she had, by the grace of God, a wonderful time as a youngster with lots of friends, lots of friends. I really hope that life is good to her, and Philip is a wonderful boy, and he will look after her, will take care of her.
Esther, being the first and only daughter, I've always been overly protective and possessive of her. I've always prayed that she does well. She is like our mother says, the apple of not only our eyes but that of our grandparents. And she has done very well for herself in every way, from schooling, academics, teenage, extracurricular activities, and in every respect. The only thing that I have kept a tab on is her diet or her friends or her, timings. Otherwise, I never had to worry about anything else. And finally, she has made us proud by selecting a very good life partner. Philip is a very good boy, very good character, very good nature, and I hope they have a wonderful life together. Our advice to both of them is to live life to the hilt, never to lose the zest, to be always enthusiastic as ever, and I'm sure that her late grandmother, that's her mother, as well as my mother, would always want to see them live a life much more happier than they ever wanted it to be for. God bless both. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Alex. My sister has been a very important figure in my life. We fight like cats and dogs, and even though I might not admit it, but I'm going to miss her a lot. And yeah, I'm going to take over a room now finally. I've been waiting for that. But I'm going to miss all those days and nights where we've spoken to each other, had our share of secrets, and which I can't have with anyone else. That kind of relationship. Basically, I'm going to miss her a lot. I know I don't really admit that. I'm always like, oh, I'm cool without my sister and all, I'm happy and everything, but that's not true at all. Philip is amazing. He's a really nice guy. I'm sure he's going to keep my sister happy, and yeah, I'm really going to miss my sister.
Philip, to say about him, I mean, he's an awesome keyboardist, no doubt. He's also an awesome singer.
Philip is amazing. He's a really nice guy.
Philip is a wonderful boy.
He's a lovely person by nature as well.
Philip is a very good boy, very good character, very good nature.
Esther is our jewel in the crown.
She's a beautiful person.
She's always been such an inspiration, with her music and her involvement in so many activities. And
I know one of the most enthusiastic and interactive person I know.
Hi Esther, you are like my daughter.
she's always been like an elder sister to me.
Basically, we love you.
We are all very proud of her. She's so talented.
इससे ज़्यादा और तेरी तारीफ नहीं होती यार बस.
It's a very happy occasion that we are finally together and very happy. And I would like to wish Philip all the best because I know what Esther is like.
It's so exciting and so much fun to be part of this big day.
तुझे पता नहीं एस्टर ने हमें छोड़ दिया. She's gone. She's going away.
All three of us are going to get engaged.
You forget the corrupt legacy. We are still building our house. The helipad is ready. The rest of the house is to be made.
What happened was, I was the worst guitar player ever in the world, if you can have. I played so badly that 50 Cent had to
plug off the guitar and the music as well. And I was playing and playing. Later on, he confessed me that I switched off the guitar, amplified.
All the best, Esther and Philip, and we all start a musical family together.
I'd just like to wish them all the best for a wonderful future. Although part of that future is going to be based in Chennai, so I'm not very hopeful about how that will go. Yeah, all the best, folks.
But Esther, best of luck, and Phil, to you also, best of luck, and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful life ahead.
Pretty Child and Esther Chichi made me develop myself in playing music, understanding music, and that's all. And wonderful Achachan and Chichi, and best part of my life now. Hoping and best wishes. That's all I can say.
I'm very glad you're getting engaged. We've waited for somebody to get engaged after Mary and Elsa, and I'm glad it's you.
So happy for you.
He's so happy. He's boxing. He's happy.
We can't wait for January for you all to get married.
Yeah, so that we can have good food.
Yeah.
I said that you would
The
get married
first
at 18, but fine. 28 is not that far away, but fine.
Yeah. So
Just a 10-year gap. Really glad that it's all working out and you're finally getting a fairy tale wedding. I know you're moving off to Chennai, but do not forget us. We will back you. We'll come there and haunt you if you forget us. We will miss you. Love you. Take care. Okay. Pretty Child, Esther Chichi. You made my guitar shut, I know. But then I still love you.